Hey! Welcome back to another one of my videos. So I've upgraded, yeah. And so now I'm at 1,000 subscribers. Crazy. This morning when I checked, I was at 999. I went into the shower. I came out. Bam, I saw 1K subscribers. I'm like, okay, all right. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, supporting this channel. I just want to thank my 1,000th subscriber. I'm thanking everyone, but I just think it would be super cool to mention my 1,000th subscriber, Nonso Uba or Nonso Uba. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thank you for being my 1,000th subscriber. Honestly, on a serious note, if you're doing YouTube and you think you're not seeing the results, just continue. And the main thing that has helped me is not seeing my subscribers as just numbers. Seeing your subscribers as people is one of the biggest things, and that sort of lets you appreciate whatever part of the process you are. 1,000, 100,000, like any range in that journey is such an accomplishment. Yeah, I hope you're having a good day, and thanks again for I almost kind of did I was like thanks again, and my hand was like this. But yeah, thanks again for 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in another one of my videos. And until then, take care, stay safe, bathe up, drink up your water, and yeah, see you in another one of my videos. Bye. You're still there? This is awkward. Yeah, this is getting too awkward. I'm stopping this video.